Hey, what's good YouTube? It's your girl Nikki with another video for you guys today. Today we are actually going to be doing another beauty related video. I'm going to be sharing my review and thoughts on 4 different blue shampoos. But before we get started with this video, I want to give a huge shout out to Scentbird because they got your girl smelling super good right now. I actually just got 3 different perfumes in the mail recently, and they're not just like a cheap perfume. These are actually name brand perfumes that I got. If you've never heard of them, basically it's a monthly perfume subscription. You can go online. They have over 400 different scents and name brands that you can choose from, and you can actually choose the scent that you want each month, which is super dope. And aside from perfume, they also got cologne and they got name brand makeup, which is really good to know. So when your perfume from Scentbird arrives, basically it'll come in a little bag and it'll be in this little case, and inside there is a vial. And you can pull the vial out and you'll be able to see the name of the perfume that you got. This is actually the Jason Woo. So I honestly feel like this is a great option for those of you who probably are new to perfume, don't know what scents you like, or someone who loves perfume and likes to have different scents but doesn't want to pay that high top dollar of like $80 for just one smell. That's really crazy. If you guys want to try this out, you can actually use my code, which I actually have down below, and I will also be leaving a link in the description as well. So I definitely recommend you guys go check it out. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this review. As I said before, today we are going to be reviewing 4 different blue shampoos. I actually did a video that was very similar to this already. I did the power of purple shampoo. Purple shampoo is supposed to take out yellow tones in your blonde hair, and blue is supposed to take out orange tones. I usually recommend orange shampoo for more brunette hair and highlighted hair. I know my roots are crazy right now, so please do not judge, because I'm actually going to be doing my roots this weekend, and I didn't want to go get my hair done and then have like 4 different tones in my hair. So that's why we are doing it this way, because when I first get my hair done, my hair is pretty toned already, and I just wanted to get it as like orangey, yellowy as possible. And then maybe later I'll do a compare and contrast of purple and blue shampoo on my hair. Currently my hair is about a week old, so I haven't washed it in about a week, so it's pretty dirty. It's ready to receive this shampoo. So yes, please don't judge my roots. I know they're grown out. I know. Thank you for noticing. Okay, so the 4 shampoos we're going to be testing out is actually the Hask Blue Chamomile and Argan Oil Blonde Care Shampoo, the Joico Color Balance Blue Shampoo, the Fanola No Orange Shampoo, and the Matrix Total Results Brass Off Blue Shampoo. I actually haven't tried any of these shampoos either, just quick disclaimer. But this one was actually $5.99. I actually purchased it from Ulta.com. So like the purple shampoo video, I actually did show you guys the consistency of each shampoo. It looks more purple to me. It looks very similar to the Shimmer Light. The second shampoo we're gonna try is the Matrix Brass Off Blue Shampoo. This one I also purchased from Ulta. I purchased it for $13.99, which wasn't too bad either. This one definitely looks more purple. It's dark, but it's like a blue violet actually. Let me correct that. The third shampoo we're gonna test out is the Joico Color Balance Blue Shampoo. Just from opening this one looks blue. This one looks like it's super blue. Oh yeah, that right there is blue shampoo. This right here is super blue. The Joico, I also did purchase this one from Ulta. I got it for $16.99, which was more expensive than the first 2 that I showed you. But yeah, I'm really excited about trying this, because that was like, wow, like a beautiful blue. That's like Fiji water blue. The last shampoo that we will be testing out is the Fanola No Orange Shampoo. This one I did not purchase from Ulta. I actually got it from Amazon. I paid $10 for it. It was on sale on Amazon, but it does retail between $10 or it retails for about $28, $30, but I got it for $10. Again, I'll be leaving links to everything in the description as well if you guys are interested in purchasing. And whoa, this No Orange Extra Blue Pigment. The most watery one is actually the Fanola, if you can see. Look at that. But yeah, here are the 4. The consistency and the color of each is very, Very different, very, very different. We have the Hask, the Matrix, Joico, and then Fanola at the end. We're going to be doing this the same way I did last time. I'm going to split my hair in 4 pieces and we're gonna try different strands. I did dredge my hair before I put the shampoo in it, so we're gonna do the same thing. And of course, when you see my hair wet, it's gonna be a lot darker than it is when it's dry. Yes, I have a lot of new growth, and this is only from 2 months of not doing my hair. My hair grows too fast. For those of you who hate seeing brunettes with blonde hair and they don't dye their hair every minute, first of all, I have fine curly hair, so I cannot bleach my hair every 2 weeks. My hair grows extremely fast. Now I love this color, not gonna lie, I won't be staying blonde forever. I plan on doing that change this year, but after I do change my hair, after I leave blonde, I'm probably gonna go back brunette and stay brunette for good. So I'm trying to have a little fun before I actually do that. The first shampoo that we're going to test out on this strand will be the Hask Blue Chamomile and Argan Oil. And here we go. It don't smell that good to me. So this actually, Blue Shampoo recommends to use it daily, which is crazy. I would never use shampoo daily. I wouldn't recommend that. Yeah, the more I put it on my hair, the more blue it looks to me. Okay, so strand number 1, the Hask Chamomile Blue Shampoo is in my hair. Next one we're gonna do, it is the Matrix Total Results, and of course I got brand new glow. The Matrix one smells so much cleaner and better. Oh wow, now that right there is blue, purple blue. Look at the difference right there. Okay, let me just tell you guys, the Blue Chamomile shampoo did not say how long to leave it on. This particular shampoo says to leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse. The next one I'm going to do, will be the Joico. This one looks like it's gonna be my favorite. Just the way it looks, like this is like a beautiful blue. The Joico looks like aqua blue. Damn. Yo, look, when I did the purple shampoo video, almost all of the strands looked alike. I am really interested on these results and how it's gonna be once it comes out. All of these are different colors, as y'all can see. This one looks more grayish blue. This one looks more blue, violet blue. This is like aqua blue green. We're gonna go ahead and do the last color, which is the Fanola No Orange, and we're gonna do it on this back strand right here. It's a little more runny than the other 2, well, the other 3 that I have. This one's an extra blue pigment. Yeah, this is more of a royal blue on the hair. This one actually says suitable for colored hair with dark shades. Do not apply to bleached or streaked hair. Oops, did that. I'm gonna try it out anyway because I've seen people with blonde hair try it out. These are the 4 different strands and they all look completely different. They are all completely different. I'm definitely interested in seeing how these results are gonna come out. Of course, I'll be rinsing these out in about 5 minutes. So I just rinsed out the products or the shampoo from my hair, and I just want to see what this is gonna look like dry, because goodness, the one that I love the most, just from seeing it wet, my hair has a tint of like green in it. Thank God I'm going to get my hair done this weekend, because Jesus. So from first glance, this Matrix one did more of a silvery color on my hair, which I do like. It gives me that gray, cool hair color on my blonde hair. Joico, I don't know what this is, but Lord. The Fanola, it kind of looks like a mixture of these 2 together. All of these have such different results. I'm gonna put on my glasses because I want to see this as clear as possible. From what I can see, this one, if you guys remember, this one's the Fanola No Orange. Although I see some of that aqua color in here, it's not that bad. This Blue Chamomile though, I could throw the whole thing away. It's not bad. The color of this Blue Chamomile is not bad, but look at my hair. It's just so dried out. Compared to all of these other strands of hair, this one is just like dry. My hair's still soft, but it split my hair so much. Look at that. I might have to do an Olaplex treatment. Now, Joico, you just stained the hell out of my hair. I didn't even leave you in there, but you could see there's a lot of aqua in there. When you get it into the light, it's not bad. So if your goal is to get a more yellow blonde color and you still want to keep the color of your hair, I'm thinking the Fanola. The Matrix gives me that cool gray color that I like. that silvery color. So right now this one's winning for me. This is number one, Matrix. I wasn't thinking it was gonna be Matrix. I was really thinking it was gonna be between Fanola and Joico, but Joico, I don't know what this is. This just disappointed me. All right, so from this side, I'm actually liking the husk more now that I see it. Like the color here is really nice. It like blends well. This back here is just like, I don't know. I don't really like it. I don't know if I like it. I do not know if I like it. I feel like my hair needs to get toned for it to work. And then if we go on this side, obviously the most significant difference that I see is this Matrix. Look at the difference with the Matrix. You see how yellow my hair is right here? Then down here it's just like silvery white almost. It's so much different. And then back here we just got green. It's just like a green undertone. This Matrix, I'm probably gonna wash my whole head with that tonight because it just left my hair so silvery, and I actually like that much more than the other colors. Definitely interested in what you guys got to say down in the comment section below. Which one do you think worked best, or which one do you think you like better? If any of you have tried any of these products before on your blonde hair or on your brunette hair, I definitely want to hear your thoughts in the comment section below as well. Matrix Brass Off Blue Shampoo, definitely my number one pick as far as like results go. And again, I do have links for everything in the description as well. And of course, don't forget to check out Scentbird. You can get 30% off your first month with my code down below. And I love you guys so much. Can't wait to see you guys in the next video. And hopefully by the next video, these roots and this hair will be all fixed for you guys. For those of you hairstylists out there and people who like to hate, yes, I know my roots are crazy. It be like that sometimes. But yeah, you guys, love you guys so much. See you guys on the next video. This is your girl Nikki. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.